Oh, do I go now?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Recording.
Okay. Okay, so this. Oh my God. Okay, so this is how. Like, wait, what is this? Oh, this is how you do equations to find parallel and perpendicular lines. So, and find distance. That's not in the title. Okay, so step one. Oh yeah, all right. So step one is you graph the given lines, which is 2x minus 4 and 2x plus 1. So we have that. And then step two, you graph the given points. Oh wait. Okay, yeah, same thing. And Mr. Grasso. Oh, and perpendicular slope. So you have your two parallel lines, and then because to find distance, you need to have a perpendicular line too. And to find perpendicular slope, you take the slope of the other ones because they're parallel, so they're the same, and then you find perpendicular, and then you just do the opposite. So for this, it would be negative 1/2, and then it goes through the points of 0, 1. Oh, we already got that. Oh God, what did I do? Oh, I'm good. Okay, so we're good. Oh, and then step 3, you find two coordinates. Step 4, oh, so yeah, you find the two coordinates that like work, and you put the perpendicular slopes. Stop. And step 4, you find the distance, which is d equals square root of x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2 formula. Well, just gave it to you. And there's the, oh my God, hold on. Oh no. Okay. And then so that's your perpendicular slope. Yeah. Oh, okay. So then this is our this is our distance formula. We're filling that in, and we gotta go on down. And so it's 5. Or no, it's 2.2.
What do you do if the points are not exact, like 0, 1, and 2, 0?
Not do it.
Use the graphing.
Oh yeah. So, you use the graphing calculator. I'm not really sure like what you do on the graphing calculator, but like you use it. Yeah. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video.